Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of dealing with a cluttered workspace and a laptop that's always in the way? I've got the solution for you, and it's the Mount Pro Laptop Arm Mount for Desk. This thing is a game changer, and I'm excited to share with you why I love it so much. With its high capacity, you can bet it can hold even the heaviest of laptops with ease, and the sturdy metal construction gives it a solid feel that's built to last. When you adjust the arm, you'll hear a smooth clicking sound as it locks into place, and the texture of the metal is cool to the touch. As you use it, you'll notice how effortlessly it allows you to switch between different positions, whether you're working, gaming, or just browsing the web. The result is a workspace that's more organized, and a laptop that's always at the perfect viewing height. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's a top-rated and best-selling item. One of the things that sets it apart from other mounts is how easy it is to install and use. In real-life use cases, I've found that it's perfect for small desks or home offices where space is limited. It's also great for people who like to work from different locations, as it's easy to take with you on the go. Plus, it's designed to keep your laptop at a comfortable viewing height, which can help reduce eye strain and improve your overall productivity. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Mount Pro Laptop Arm Mount for Desk, and I think you will be too. It's a simple but effective solution to a common problem, and it's definitely worth checking out if you're in the market for a new laptop mount. So why not give it a try and see the difference it can make for yourself? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.